Hi everyone, I am Fiona. During our test run today, we found that the stacking machine cannot align the layer properly. This is quite different from the customer's requirements. As can be seen from our video, the error of the stacking machine is between 30-50 millimeters, and the range of errors we can accept for our stacking machine is 5 mm. Because we are in a test run state before the EPS cutting line leaves the factory, we cannot install the EPS cutting line 100% in accordance with normal production standards. After internal discussions, we optimized the following 4 hardware areas in an attempt to adjust the neatness of the stacking machine. Optimization. 1. Strengthen the stacking machine to reduce the shaking during up, down, left, and right movements. Normally, we use a diagonal support coordinate stacking machine, but due to customer site restrictions, this is a square support coordinate stacking machine. Optimization 2. Optimize the design to reduce the rotation gap during the rotation process. Optimization 3. Try to align the stacking machine with the center line of the 4-side PE film wrapping machine. A laser level and other professional equipment will be needed during the formal installation process. Because we are testing the customized EPS cutting line before leaving the factory, the purpose is to ensure that the program is correct, and we cannot truly reproduce the customer's factory production environment. After the hardware is debugged, the final debugging result has successfully reduced the stacking machine error from 50 millimeters to within 12 millimeters. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.